Hello friends. In the last video we have seen Panchayat Raj system in India. This video we are going to see municipality system in India, as well as we are going to see one case study of Tamil Nadu to understand administrative structure of Panchayat Raj as well as municipality system. Three-tier system is followed in Panchayat Raj system, as well as three-tier system is followed in municipality system for urban areas. Here the pictures illustrates the administrative structure of municipal corporation. So here the municipal corporation occupies the topmost level in municipality system. The mayor will be head for municipal corporation. The municipal corporation controls municipality, are also called as municipal council, and municipal council controls Nagar Panchayat. So this is the general administrative structure for municipal corporation. What is the meaning of municipal corporation? Municipal corporation, an elected body that is responsible for running the civic affairs of a large city and looking after various needs of the people who live there, is called municipal corporation, also called as Nagar Nigam. So Panchayat Raj system as well as municipal corporation are run by the elected representatives of the people. They are looking or satisfying the common needs of the public. The constitution lists 18 subjects in the 12th schedule, which states that the duties that the municipal bodies need to be complete. The important functions of the municipal corporation is town planning, roads, water supply, public health, etc. It is seen in cities with more than 10 lakh population comes under the category of municipal corporation. If the population is less than 10 lakh, it is comes under the category of municipalities or municipal council. What is the composition of municipal corporation? Municipal corporation consists of four important bodies. One is general council, the mayor, the standing committee, a municipal commissioner. Composition of general council. General council has members called municipal councillors. These councillors are elected by registered voters within the municipal area. So already we know that the people who has 18 plus age can able to vote for MP, MLA election as well as Panchayat election. So the Panchayat elections was held in Tamil Nadu during November-December 2019. The people are electing municipal councillors. So these peoples are occupying the general council of municipal corporation. Some seats are reserved for SC and STs in proportion to their population, and at least one third of seats of the total number of seats are reserved for women. The number of councillors depends upon the population of the city. In addition to the elected members, the General Council also has aldermen. The means of alderman is a respected person of the city. They are usually elected by the councillors. So these people are majorly occupy the General Council of Municipal Corporation. One is municipal councillors as well as aldermen. The duration of municipal corporation. So as like MPs and MLAs and other elected representatives, the maximum duration of general council member is 5 years. In case of dissolution, elections should be compulsorily held within 6 months. Second, the important member in the municipal corporation is mayor. The mayor is a head of municipal corporation. Municipal councillors elects mayor and deputy mayor from among themselves. Mayor is generally elected annually. In some states, The mayor is elected by general voters, and in that case, he would have 5-year term. So, what is the important functions of the mayor? He is the first citizen of the city, as like president and governor. Decides agendas for the meetings, presides all the meetings of the corporation, coordinates all the departments, act as a link between corporation and state government. So he is the first citizen, and all the executing power will come under the category of CEO, Chief Executing Officer. Third one is the Standing Committee. Standing Committee handle the different departments, health, finance and taxation. And the fourth one is a Municipal Commissioner or CEO of corporation. So mayor plays a important role as like governor, but all the executing power comes under the head of CEO, Chief Executive Officer. Municipal Commissioner are also called as CEO, is elected by the state government or union government for the term of 5 years. So what is the important function he carries? He heads and controls the administration of the corporation. As instructed by General Council, gets the projects implemented. Commissioner act as a secretary to the General Council and maintain records of the properties, meetings, etc. He is also the custodian of all records and personal files of all staff members of the corporation. Now, let us see the functions of municipal corporation. So, two important functions of municipal corporation. One is obligatory, compulsory function, and discretionary, optional function. Obligatory functions of municipal corporation. One is public maintaining public health and sanitation, supply electricity, water supply, education and sports, public works, infrastructure, roads, slum development, etc. Record of birth and death certificates, miscellaneous functions of fire service, burial grounds, etc. And discretionary functions of municipal optional functions. One is transport facilities, cultural activities like library, museum, drama, music, etc. Urban forestry, sports and recreation, welfare activities, family planning, removing poverty, etc. Next one is we shall see about municipal committee or municipality or nagarpalika. So, of course, it is less than 3 lakhs, 20,000 to 3 lakh population is there. That is comes under the category of municipality. So, what is the important composition of municipal committee? What are important body in the municipal committee? One is the electoral board and council, chairman, president, and CEO or secretary. First one is elected board, council. It has also called as elected board or council. It has members called councillors. These councillors are elected by registered voters within the municipal area. Some seats are reserved for SCs and STs in proportion to their population, and at least 23% seats of the total number of seats are reserved for women. Some states have raised it up to 1 by 2, 50% for women. The number of councillors depends upon the population of the city. The general council, it is same as like a general council of municipal corporation. So duration as like 5 years of as like municipal corporation. In case of a dissolution, election would be compulsorily held within the 6 months. Second one is chairman are called as municipal president. Municipal corporation we called as CEO. Here we are calling as chairman. Councillors elect chairman and vice chairman among themselves. In some state, general voters elect the president or chairperson. What is the important function of chairman or municipal president? His functions are very similar to the functions of mayor in municipal corporation. Decides agendas for the meetings, presides all the meetings of municipal committee, coordinates all the departments, act as a link between municipal committee and state government. Chief executive officer or the secretary. So he plays very important role in municipality. All the execution power is comes to the secretary or chief executive officer. CEO controls the administration of municipal committee. He is either taken from state cadre or of municipal officers or from state civil service. So what is the important functions of CEO? He heads and controls the administration of municipal committee. He distributes the work among other officers. He prepares budget for every year. Executive officers act as a secretary to the council and maintains record of the properties, meetings, etc. He also grants license and contracts for the various jobs. So what is the important functions of municipal committee or municipality? So as like municipal corporation, it has two important functions. One is obligatory function and discretionary function, compulsory and optional. So what is obligatory function as like municipal corporation? So it also has similar responsibilities. So it is a municipal corporation in large and this municipalities in is small. So as like municipal corporation, it has the responsibility of public health and sanitation, electricity and water supply, education and sports, public works, infrastructure, roads, slums development, record of birth and death, miscellaneous functions, as well as discretionary functions of municipal committee, transport facilities, cultural activities, urban forestry, sports, recreation, welfare activities, and so on. So, what is the difference between municipal corporation and municipal committees or municipalities? These are meant by big cities, these are meant by smaller. This is a major difference between municipal corporation and municipal committees. All other functions are same for municipal corporation and municipal committees. Its head is called mayor. Its head is called chairman or president. Their role is only organizing. As like a first citizen is a mayor, and he may be. It is a similar post of mayor. So as like a respected post of president or governor, it has more powers and sources of revenue. It has less powers and sources of revenue. It deals with the state government directly. It deals with the state government indirectly through district administration. Of course, maybe through district collector. Now, we shall see one case study of Tamil Nadu, also called as general outline of local self-government in Tamil Nadu. That means how Panchayat Raj system and municipality system in Tamil Nadu. Overview. Developmental administration is the main objective of these local bodies. For administrative purpose only, this Panchayat Raj system and municipality system is working. They are affected by means of urban and rural areas. Rural area we will call it as Panchayat Raj system, and urban area we will call it as municipality system. They are responsible for implementation of various centrally sponsored, state funded and externally aided schemes for provision of basic amenities and other services to the people. In order to provide various services, these two important bodies are responsible: Panchayat Raj system as well as municipality system. Elections are held to elect the representatives for local body council in respective urban and rural areas in every 5 years. Already I have mentioned 2019 November December the Panchayat elections was held in Tamil Nadu. Ministry of Municipal Administration and Rural Development, Government of Tamil Nadu, is the state government governing body for local bodies, which is headed by minister, who is elected member of the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly. So generally, the Panchayat Raj system is governed by district collector, and this municipal corporation is governed by minister, concerned ministers. Now we shall see the general structure of local self-government structure of Tamil Nadu. So it has rural bodies and urban bodies. So urban bodies is divided into city municipal corporation, municipalities and town panchayat. Rural local bodies divided into village panchayat, panchayat unions and district panchayat. As like we got discussed, gram panchayat, panchayat samitis as well as Zila Parishad. Similarly, Tamil Nadu, it is working like village panchayat, panchayat union and district panchayat. And urban area we have discussed Nagar Panchayat as well as municipal council and municipal corporation. It is also divided in Tamil Nadu like city municipal corporation, municipalities and town panchayat. So this table will give a clear picture about administrative structure of Tamil Nadu. Sample distribution of local government in Tamil Nadu. Suppose you take Coimbatore. So it has one corporation and 6 municipalities and 52 town panchayat in urban area. In rural area, it has 13 panchayat unions, panchayat samitis, and village panchayat 389 it has. So district collector administrates this in the horizontal direction, and concerned MP and MLAs are administers in the vertical direction. So these municipality and panchayat raj system are majorly responsible to the district collector and concerned ministers. Hope you understood the municipal corporation system and panchayat raj system. Next video we shall going to discuss about election commission. Thank you.